Looking to take your cooking or baking to the next level with more accuracy and less guesswork? Then you need a digital measuring spoon. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital measuring spoons that blend convenience, precision, and smart features to simplify your kitchen tasks. Number 5 on our list is the Scoopium Digital Measuring Spoon. The Scoopium Digital Measuring Spoon is an innovative kitchen tool designed to enhance precision in both cooking and baking. Building upon previous models, this version introduces an additional function to measure temperature, making it a versatile 2-in-1 product. The measuring spoon itself features a precision scale, capable of accurately measuring a variety of ingredients, including liquids and powdered materials like flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, milk, and eggs. A standout feature is the interchangeable spoon design. You can easily switch between the measuring spoon and a temperature needle, with the ability to toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for different cooking needs. This makes the device not only useful for precise ingredient measurements but also ideal for monitoring the temperature of liquids, ensuring accuracy when working with heat-sensitive recipes. The LCD display is large and clear, providing easy-to-read data, while the system is designed for simple use. The high-precision digital scale allows users to switch between different modes with ease. The tare function is conveniently activated with a short press of the power button, enabling users to reset the scale before adding more ingredients. For added convenience, the device can lock the measured value to prevent repeated weighing, ensuring accuracy throughout the process. Additionally, the Scoopium Digital Measuring Spoon is designed for easy maintenance. Its removable components make it straightforward to clean and store, ensuring it stays in optimal condition for frequent use. Whether you're a home cook or a baking enthusiast, this measuring spoon adds a level of precision that can help elevate your culinary creations. Number 4 is the Respoon Digital Measuring Spoon. The Respoon Digital Measuring Spoon is an essential tool for any kitchen, especially for those who value precision in their cooking and baking. Crafted for durability, this digital scale is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while remaining easy to clean, ensuring it continues to be a reliable asset in your kitchen for years to come. One of its standout features is its high-precision measurement capability, with an accuracy of 0.3. This makes it ideal for tasks that require exact measurements, such as baking or preparing intricate recipes. Whether you're measuring flour, coffee, or other ingredients, the Respoon guarantees that each ingredient is precisely weighed for optimal results. The scale is equipped with a 25 cm LCD screen, which makes it simple to read measurements at a glance. The clear display enhances your cooking experience, allowing you to focus more on creating delicious dishes rather than worrying about the accuracy of your measurements. Designed to be compact and portable, this measuring spoon is perfect for small kitchens or for use on the go. Its lightweight structure allows for easy storage and portability, making it an excellent choice for both home kitchens and those who love to cook while traveling. Additionally, the Respoon Digital Measuring Spoon boasts a dual-purpose spoon head, making it versatile enough to measure both dry ingredients like flour and grains, and liquid items like coffee. This multifunctional tool is a must-have for any kitchen, helping streamline your cooking process with its accuracy, convenience, and portability. Coming in at number 3 is the Inscoop Digital Measuring Spoon. The Inscoop Digital Measuring Spoon is a precise and practical tool designed for weighing small ingredients in the kitchen. With a weighing range of 0.5 to 500 g, it is ideal for measuring powdered foods, seasonings, and other ingredients in cooking and baking. The spoon features an easy-to-read LED display that shows the weight in grams, g, or ounces, oz, offering versatility in measurement units. This measuring spoon operates with a CR2032 button battery and is made from durable ABS material. It is designed with convenience in mind, including an automatic shutdown feature after about 2 minutes of inactivity to conserve battery life. However, it's important to keep a few guidelines in mind to ensure the longevity and accuracy of the spoon. For example, it is normal for the LED screen to display a negative number when left on the table, but this will not affect its functionality. The spoon should be handled with care, as strong impacts or drops can lead to malfunctions. It is also important not to weigh heavy objects, as this may cause abnormal readings. The measuring spoon is best used in a dry environment, away from high temperatures, humidity, magnets, or water, to avoid any potential damage. Additionally, it is recommended to store it out of the reach of children to prevent any accidents. Perfect for those who need precise measurements in their cooking, the Inscoop digital measuring spoon is a reliable and user-friendly kitchen tool that combines accuracy and practicality in a compact design. Number 2 is the Kitchya digital measuring spoon. The Kitchya digital measuring spoon is an essential tool for any kitchen, offering versatility and precision to enhance your cooking and baking experience. Whether you're measuring flour, sugar, or liquids, this spoon scale ensures that you get accurate measurements every time, making it perfect for a variety of ingredients. One of its standout features is the large LCD display, which provides clear and easy-to-read measurements in grams or ounces. This makes it simple to follow recipes with exacting detail, and the easy-to-read screen eliminates any confusion during food preparation. Accuracy is key when measuring ingredients, and the Kitchya digital measuring spoon delivers with high precision. It is capable of measuring down to 0.1 grams, ensuring that even the most delicate baking recipes are executed with precision. Whether you're making delicate pastries or other finely tuned dishes, this scale offers the accuracy you need for consistent results. The detachable design adds convenience, allowing for quick and easy cleaning after use. It also makes for easy storage, ensuring that the measuring spoon doesn't take up unnecessary space in your kitchen. Efficiency is another highlight of this digital spoon scale. Powered by a CR2032 button battery, it automatically shuts down after 2 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. This ensures that the device is always ready to go when you need it while maximizing battery life. Overall, the Kitchya digital measuring spoon is a practical and reliable tool for anyone looking to bring more precision and ease into their kitchen. With its versatility, accuracy, and convenience, it's a must-have for home cooks and bakers alike. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Aneng digital measuring spoon. The Aneng digital measuring spoon is an advanced kitchen tool that significantly improves upon previous models by adding a key feature, temperature measurement. This enhancement allows users to not only measure ingredients but also test the temperature of liquids and powders, making it an incredibly versatile tool in the kitchen. The measuring spoon comes equipped with a precision scale, allowing for accurate measurements of various baking materials, such as flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, milk, syrup, eggs, and more. This is especially beneficial for recipes that require precise ingredient amounts, helping bakers and cooks achieve consistent results. One of the standout features of the Aneng digital measuring spoon is its removable spoon and interchangeable parts. The spoon can be replaced with a temperature needle, and users can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit readings, offering flexibility depending on the user's needs. The measuring spoon's LCD screen is designed for ease of use. Its large display makes it simple to read measurements, and the spoon's tare function allows for easy zeroing out of the scale before measuring ingredients. By locking the value after weighing, it prevents the need for repeated measurements, ensuring convenience and accuracy. Additionally, the spoon is easy to clean and store, as its removable components make maintenance hassle-free. This innovative tool is a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who require precise ingredient measurements and temperature control while cooking or baking.